It is with great honor and respect today to witness the 2024 OK Green Challenge launch. This year, I think it's for the first time for the OK Mass to host or to participate in the OK Green Challenge. Only the OKs we have been participating in this vibe promotion. But 2024 is another great year that has been seen OK Mats to participate, and to be more specific, OK Mats Mutare in the Manicaland region is also going to participate.
So what we have done for you this time, we are trying to make sure the way we participate in the Green Challenge is as simple as possible. Whatever we did 20 years ago, in this edition, we are still continuing with it. So we just want a minimum of $10 for somebody to enter. That is for the retail part of it. For the wholesale part, as you heard, OK Mart is going to join us. We are going to have $100 for them to participate. So it's going to be very interesting this time. Why we want to invite all our traders, why we want to invite all our corporates, and why we need to introduce all the institutions who felt that we were leaving them all this Green Challenge. Yes.
Wakufara singamboiti kumboparidza mu street. Ndinobona wafundisi vamwe vachizviita ne. But pana apa hapasi pa street ndepa OK, but ndiri kungotaura chete kuti pandakamira ndajaira panenge pakavharika. My presence at this event is a testimony of the existing good relationship between the government of Zimbabwe and our business community. Our government, ably led by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Comrade E.D. Mnangagwa, and the business community share and have a strong synergetic relationship that should be upheld at all times. There are various opportunities being created by the government to enable more businesses to flourish under the leadership of our President. Indeed, Zimbabwe is open for business. I call upon investors to come to Manicaland as we have various opportunities, not just in the retail sector, but also in the energy, tourism, infrastructural development, just to mention a few. Ladies and gentlemen, the OK Grand Challenge is the biggest, longest running retail promotion in Zimbabwe since 1988. Am I right? The Grand Challenge is popular for reduced prices, hence shoppers get more value for less. OK Zimbabwe should continue to support local suppliers in various sectors such as farmers and small and medium entrepreneurs. The province is rich in agricultural produce, and I continue to urge local shops to promote these products. I'm happy that I have made a tour in the shop, and I'm happy that a good number for that matter of products are very local.
Quite excited with the OK Grand Challenge 2024. This year I'm anticipating to ensure that customers win more than 10 cars, and I promise we are going to make sure we do a groundbreaking in Manicaland.
We are in this year's edition of the Grand Challenge 2024. Customers, we encourage you to come and shop. There are 40 plus MP300 to be won.
So to everyone, come enjoy the lowest prices during the Grand Challenge.
We are participating in the edition of the OK Green Challenge. Our products on promotion include Sparks, Shopkins, Charles biscuits, 500 grams, Sunbeam, and CB Black Beans. By any of these participating lines, you stand a chance to win